matrix multiplication. Right? And to multiply matrix, right? The only way to multiply matrices is if the number of rows of the first matrix is equal to the number of columns of the second matrix, giving the result to be a matrix with the row of the first and the column of the second. Matrix. That's the rule. So the rule says the only way to multiply matrices is if the number of rows of the first matrix is equal to the number of columns of the second matrix, giving the result to be a matrix with the rows of the first and the columns of the second. Let me show you what this means. If I have a 3 by 2, right, and I have another 3 by 2, are these two equal? The answer is obviously no. So there is no answer there, no solution. Right? But if I have a 3 by 2 and a 2 by 3, since they are equal, I will have as my answer a 3 by 3 by 3 matrix. So if I have a 2 by 3 and I want an answer, it has to be a 3 by any number, a 3 by 1 if anything. Since these are equal, my possible answer for my matrix will be a 2 by 1. So you have the row of the first and the column of the last. So if I have a 2 by 2 and I have a 2 by 3, then since these are equal, it will produce a 2 by 3 matrix. Alright? Sorry about that. So it says the number of columns, because it's row by column, of the first must equal the number of rows of the second. So the number of columns in the first equals the number of rows in the second, and the answer is going to be the row of the first and the column of the second.